Hi, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I decided to change my room for a little bit so I have more space to do art. So I'm filming this after I've changed my whole room around, so that's why the background is different. I'll insert a clip what it looked like before I started, and it's actually changed quite a bit. Even though I only changed 2 things around, it feels like so much more bigger and more like space to do stuff. This is what my room looks like right now, and I want to try and move this cabinet to here and then my art desk in this corner, so all this side will just be like art related. I filmed little clips of like changing everything around. So the first thing I did was move the cabinet and the desk, so just like swap them around, and then I created like a little art wall, and then I moved all my art stuff to like one corner. So I'm going to like insert them clips right now. So this is what it's looking like so far. So I just moved my desk over there and I'll put the cabinet here. I just need to put these drawers back in and then put the TV on top. This is actually looking really cute. So I'm going to put my paintings up on the wall as well. It's just so much better, like everything's been in the corner as well. And it seems to have like more room as well. I need to take the nails off the wall from the last paintings. I need to dust around here, and then maybe I'm going to paint over the grey as well, and obviously clean out that bin. For this side I'm going to put my large painting on that wall, and I might paint over the white as well because it's kind of like patchy, but like the light's shining so weird on it, but I think with the painting it'll look fine. The next thing I did was paint my wall. So I did some white on the wall to like clean it up a little bit, and then the wall behind I tried to fix it and it didn't work. So then I had to get more paint. So I had to wait a few days to get more paint to do it. I've got a few little drawings that I could put on the wall, so I'm going to see what it looks like and see if I'm going to keep it like that. So like in this corner where I try and fill the paintings around this, like overlay each other and stuff. I'm going to test this grey on the wall, see what it looks like. I think it's a bit lighter than this colour, but you think with like all like the white coming through, I'm going to cover all that. This is the finished look. So this is the little art corner that I created. So the desk was over here, and then I just switched these two around and it looks so much better. I literally have so much more room. Even though it's the same desk, it feels so much bigger because with it like next to the wall, it's like creating more space, and I put the art trolley next to it as well. And this is what over there looks like now. I was going to add something from the wall, but I think it looks alright the way it is for now. I'm going to give you a little tour of like what's by my desk. So I put some of my sketchbooks in the corner and some canvases for the rest of my wardrobe, so I'll just put them there for now. And then I made a little like art wall, like some of my recent small paintings, and I put some books. And then I just put like my pens and some pencils. and then I reorganised this. For this corner, I just put my easel with a painting on. I switched the painting from what it was for like a change. I think it went better with this wall. And then I put like some of my little vinyls. And then there's my TV and cabinet. So this is what the corner looks like from over here. I feel like it's just so much more space. And I feel so better when I'm working there. All this is kept the same. And there's more vinyls. And I kept my wardrobe where it was. My t-shirt kind of matches my mirror. So I put all my pens and paints and brushes at the top. And the same there as well. And then I put different things here. I changed my room so much, but I think this is the best it's been. It's so much more like tidier and got more room to do art, because where it was, because it was over there in the middle, I felt like I didn't have much space. I felt I was just like stuck in the middle. But now I've been next to the wall and the lighting's even better than it was over there, because it wasn't really great. I've got like more space to do art, so it's so much better. My room's changed so much in the last like 2 years. I'm going to say some like photos I found from my like Instagram stories from ages ago. So I'm going to say what they used to look like, because it's changed so much. It used to be pink and it used to be like flower wallpaper. It used to be like a bluish colour, and then it used to be a wave on my wall. It's just changed so much, and now it's grey. I know the last time it was grey, but this is a kind of like a light grey. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was so much fun to like change everything around, and I'm so glad I did it because it feels so much better. I was just sitting there painting one day, I was like, I'm just gonna get up and change the whole thing. When I just like switched the cabinet and desk around, and it feels so much more better.